Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and I have a series of videos for this week that focus on some Sale-A-Bration products. Sale-A-Bration products are free products that you earn by making purchases from the annual catalog and the new January through June mini catalog. You buy in increments of $50 and $100 and earn the various products that I will be sharing with you this week. There is also a host product that I actually spent 2 episodes on. It is just lovely, and I couldn't stop. So that particular host product you can only earn by having a party, either you yourself buying $300 worth of products or a group of people with you being the host pooling together and buying a minimum of $300. So today's Sale-A-Bration products that I am focusing on center around the Rainbow of Happiness suite. It is a set of paper. To supplement the paper, I used these small stamps from the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set, and from the brilliant rainbow dies that coordinate, I used the tag, clouds, and the border. I want to share this paper, which is called Sunshine and Rainbows. There are 12 patterns, 4 sheets of each, for a total of 48 sheets. And I am going to fan them out for you to see. We are filming in natural light, which is my preference, so you can see the colors. There are the first 6 sheets. There's a more pattern side, which is the side I am sharing with you now, and then I'll flip to the other side, and those patterns are a bit more busy and colorful. And there is the other 6 patterns. So I'm going to take the first away and flip this to the other side. And here are the patterns on the busier side. And I will flip the second 6, and you can see that there's these clouds, I believe, cut out from the cloud punch, which I do not have. So a lot of colorful choices with this particular free with a $50 purchase. I'm going to read for you the colors: Bermuda Bay, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Soft Seafoam, and So Saffron are all of the lovely colors that you see in this paper. And there is the project. One of the things I'm focusing on this year is to make sure when I video that I have completed the whole project, which means the inside of the card as well as the envelope. And I myself prefer not to have very overly decorated insides because I always like to write. So I will share that this is what I did with the inside. Notice I got a little bit of pink there, and I'm just ignoring that. I will write all over in the card, and that won't even show up. My opinion on mistakes is that when you make little boo-boos, you can just make it look more homemade that way. So this is the card. It's got a layered tag arrangement here. Clouds. I used some pieces of cardstock that I had in my stash that had some dry embossing treatments to them. I just picked them at random, and both of these happen to be non-current. But you could use any dry embossing folder to just make it have more texture. I chose to use a green, this is Garden Green Gingham, which isn't even one of the greens in this set. And you'll see that it looks just fine because it's just a nice soft looking trim. I wanted to keep with the busy tones, and then I used the multicolored current decorative dots. The Happy Birthday is from one of the host sets in the January through June catalog. It is a very sweet set. I picked it because I will be able to do some coloring. If I didn't want the swing and the girl, I could just mask it off when I stamped and just have the tree in some other scene. And don't forget this little shadow stamp. These always come in really handy. So I loved the font and the different sentiments, and I used this happy birthday. And then I also decorated the envelope with the little stamps from the Rainbow of Happiness set. So this is kicking off my week of Sale-A-Bration products videos that I have for you. The Sale-A-Bration sale lasts until the end of February. You cannot get these products by paying for them. You can only get them for free by buying products from the annual catalog and mini catalog. So if you need any assistance with receiving any of these products, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out through my, you can leave a comment on the YouTube video, which I won't publish. I administer it, and if I see it's a private message, you can give me contact info. I will not publish it for the world to see. You can go over and send me a message on the bottom of every page of my blog is my mail to email, and you can also click on my shop, which has my contact information. So there's many ways to get a hold of me should you need to. You could also leave your comments, concerns, and questions on YouTube or over on my blog, and if they're public in nature, I will happily answer them for you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.